it's Adrienne. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I moved. I'm in my new house and I finally actually built my bed frame, so I'm sitting on a real bed and not just a bed on the floor, which is really, really good news. So today I'm going to be showing you guys 7 life hacks for reorganizing, decluttering, and cleaning your room, your living space, whatever it is. As I've been moving, I've been finding some great strategies for how to just reorganize my things, make it look a lot better, but also be easier to find and not get as messy. Plus, I know these types of videos are very popular, so I hope that you guys can take something that I've learned and apply it to your own rooms. Let me know if you do. Also, if you guys like moving vlogs, I have been posting moving vlogs over on my vlog channel. I'll link a playlist down below, so subscribe to that if you're interested. I will also do my best to link all of the stuff that I show you guys in this video down below. So check the description box. I have an Amazon storefront, so I also oftentimes put a lot of my favorite products on that Amazon store. I will link that down below. So without further ado, you guys, let's get into the video. So first things first, you gotta get rid of a ton of things that you do not need. This will free up so much space and help you to declutter as much as you possibly can. The most important thing for me is parting way with clothes that I no longer wear. I own literally so much clothing, it's unhealthy, and I've always been horrible at getting rid of it. But when I do get rid of clothes, I almost always use Poshmark to sell them. It is an absolutely free app that you can download using the link in my description box. I always hate getting rid of clothes because I feel like it's such a waste, but when you can sell them, it's like a win-win situation. So I love how easy this app is to use. You can basically build your own closet of your own things that you're selling, but you can also shop other people's closets. And if you guys do make a closet on Poshmark, share your closet handle in the comments so that I can follow you guys. I've just listed these items in my closet, so follow me if you want to make an offer. And another thing I love about shopping on Poshmark is that they have a bunch of awesome like brand names like Nike, Adidas, Michael Kors, things like that, so you can really find like anything you want. So click the link in the description box to download it for free and follow me. I'll follow you guys back. The next hack is to use drawer organizers to basically take a drawer from looking like this, where it's impossible to find literally anything, to making it super awesomely organized. So I got these from IKEA. They are so cheap and just easy to use. You literally just zip them. They have plenty of different sizes. What's nice about these ones, I did get my dresser from IKEA, so these fit perfectly in my dresser. But even if they don't fit perfectly, having organizers like this seriously makes your life just so much easier, because every time you do laundry, you can just shove everything into the drawers, and even if you don't perfectly fold them, it's still organized, so you know where to find what. This next trick I'm sure you guys have seen in plenty of people's videos, but it seriously is so handy and it frees up a ton of space in your cabinet. So instead of putting hot tools just like loose around just randomly in your drawer, you can actually hang them on the door by putting command hooks on the door. So I'm keeping my straightener and my shower cap there, and it just kind of frees up some room. So we all know we have those junk drawers and junk cabinets, especially in the bathroom. So I finally took it upon myself to categorize my bins and drawers. So this is my hair bin and this is my skincare bin. And I also created this everyday makeup bin so that instead of keeping all my makeup on the counter when I definitely don't use it all, I just put my go-to items in this bin and can obviously switch it up when I want, and then I just hide it under the sink. Speaking of hiding things under the sink, my next tip is to really hide your belongings and utilize every ounce of space you possibly have, especially if it's hidden. Something I've realized is that part of what makes a room look super messy is when stuff is just visible everywhere. On this rack, for example, I just have out what visually looks okay, like the Q-tips and toilet paper, but even buying this little bin for the toilet paper rather than just having it out makes it look a lot more organized. My goal, I think, in this new place is just to have as little out on the counters as possible. As you can see, there already isn't a whole lot out there, but the bathroom just looks so much better and cleaner and more organized with just not little random tidbits. Now, obviously this isn't realistic 24/7. This medicine cabinet helps a lot. Look how much stuff would be out on my counter, but isn't, and it's perfectly hidden. So I'm very happy about that. And in my closet, I used to have this white shelving out, but it just looked cluttered, so now it's in my closet. Simple switches like that can just really help. My next organization hack is to color coordinate your closet. So I've never been able to decide whether I like to organize my closet by color or by style. I usually did style because I figured if I decide to wear a dress, I'll want all my dresses together. But now I decided to organize it by both color and style, so I'll do like all my dresses, but then categorize them by color, all my sweaters. And so far I've found that this is not only more visually appealing, so when I leave my closet door open, it just looks a lot better, but it's also really easy to find things, especially when I don't know what to wear and I just kind of go for a certain color scheme. All right, we all have those things that we need to store that we only use maybe once or twice a year, and even if it's tucked away in a closet somewhere though, the appearance of a ratty cardboard box always bugs me. So here's a really easy trick for making your storage boxes just look a little bit cuter and less cluttered. Find yourself a clear plastic or white bin. At IKEA,
IKEA, they sell these for literally like $1 each. They're so cheap, and label it using a cute washi tape or just hand make a label, whatever you want to do that is simple and just looks a lot better in your closet than a ratty old box.
Alright you guys, that is the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and let me know down below again your guys' Poshmark handles if you decided to make a closet so I can go follow you. And remember to download the free app by clicking the link down below. Remember, I have moving vlogs and I've been posting a lot lately on all my other social media, so go check that out if you feel like it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Bye. And back to my new bed.